Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can uninstall the OneDrive on your Windows. So if you want to get rid of Microsoft OneDrive, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type File, Explorer. Now you will find File Explorer. This one, File Explorer under the best match. So what you can do is we need to simply click on File Explorer, or you can directly make a right click at the Start button and select File Explorer. Now here you have to click on this PC, click on your Windows C drive, and then scroll down and you will find Users folder, double click. Here you will find your username, double click. Scroll down and you will find OneDrive. So this is the path. Now I have here to sign in first. But in your case, you are already signed in, then there's no worry for that. So here you will find all the contents on your OneDrive. So make sure to back up everything. So we need to copy everything from here. So press on one file and then Control plus A on keyboard. Then you have to copy. Click on this copy icon, this one. Or you can simply press Control plus C. And then we need to paste it here in the desktop. Now once done, then go ahead in the Windows search bar and then we need to type settings. You'll find it under the best match. Simply click on that, or we can simply click on the start button and click on settings. Click on apps, installed apps, and you'll find Microsoft OneDrive. Click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. So once you have uninstalled the Microsoft OneDrive, and that's it. You have already get rid or have uninstalled, deleted the Microsoft OneDrive on your Windows. So I hope this short video tutorial on how you can remove the OneDrive on your Windows helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.